Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving me beautiful comments, for supporting this channel. Thank you. This is your general love messages for the month of June. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner. Please take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages, what are the love messages, what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of June 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me out to deliver all important messages which I have to deliver to Aquarius for the month of June 2021. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Okay, what are the messages? Too many messages. Okay. Let me see any other message for Aquarius June 2021. Okay. So the first message for you is you need to be bold and make the first move. Okay, conclusions are within reach. You just have to be bold and make the first move, Aquarius. Okay, be bold and make the first move. Conclusions are within reach. Nothing is yet in stone. Okay, nothing is yet in stone. There is emotions are running high. Okay, super moon, emotions are running high here. Then there is prosperity lies ahead. There is a lot of prosperity which is coming for you in the month of June. Okay, new moon in Taurus. Okay, then there is bring love into situation, new moon in Aquarius. Okay, bring love into situation. You need to bring love into situation in Aquarius. Then there is look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius, and balance spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. So you need to balance spirituality and practicality. That means this 3D world and the 5D world, you need to make a balance between two worlds. Okay, and you have to look at the bigger picture. Okay, then there is work through your fears, new moon in Scorpio. Okay, so you need to work on your fears, new moon in Scorpio. Then there is a win-win outcome is forecast, full moon in Libra. Okay, a win-win outcome is forecast for you. So these are the messages from the Moonology deck, and the signs which you may be dealing with are Scorpio, Sagittarius, Pisces, Libra, Taurus, and Aquarius. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Thank you, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Numerology deck for Aquarius June 2021. What are the messages for Aquarius June 2021? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Any other message? No, that's it. So bottom of the deck, I'm having surrender. Surrender yourself to the divine, to the universe, and trust that they have the best plans for you. Okay, so surrender yourself. Surrender is the message here. There is beautiful messages. Maybe you are seeing the number synchronicities of 333 or or double three or double two. Okay, that can be a possibility. So use your intuition, Aquarius. Right now you are very intuitive, your third eye is activated. You can have a look on your reading, yesterday's reading I have put on. Okay, so there was that your third eye is getting activated. So because of that, right now your intuition is telling you follow your intuitions. You are right now very intuitive. There is creativity and communication, so work on your creativity. If you're already working on your creativity, keep working on your creativity here. There is communication, number 33. Okay, that's why I told you, maybe you can see the number synchronicities of 333. Okay, so a lot of communication is coming towards you in the month of June. Okay, so communication is coming towards you, and there are new beginnings which is coming for you. Okay, new beginnings in love, new beginnings in career, new beginnings in relationships, wherever they are, but the new beginnings are coming for you in the month of June for Aquarius. So these are the messages from numerology deck. Thank you, numerology deck, for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from animal spirits. Spirit has a plan. Okay, that's the message I'm getting for you. And life is speeding up. These are the two messages which I'm getting here. Okay, let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius June 2021? What are the messages which I need to deliver? Please give me the messages. Okay. What are the messages? What are the messages? See, again, the bottom of the deck I'm having giraffe spirit. See the bigger picture. Okay, the same message is here. You have to look at the bigger picture. See at the bigger picture here, Aquarius. Okay, see the bigger picture. Look at the bigger picture. That's a very specific important message for you. So look at the bigger picture, Aquarius. Giraffe spirit is here. Okay. It wants to come out again. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, so the first message for you is koi fish. This also wants to come out. I'm going to take it. Frog spirit is here. Clear out the clutter. Okay, clear the clutter. Whatever you are still holding on, you need to let go and clear the clutter. That's the message I'm getting here. Okay, there is mouse spirit. Tend to the small things. Okay, tend to the small things. Then there is watch your parrot. Watch your words. Parrot spirit is here. So watch your words. Try to speak in a calm way. If you feeling like if you are in an angry mood, don't speak harsh words. Okay, so watch your words is here. Then there is otter spirit. You are never alone. Okay, you are never alone. The universe is there with you. The divine is there with you. There is whale spirit. Trust the great mystery. Whatever is happening, it's happening according to the divine plan. You need to surrender yourself and trust that there is a best plan for you. Then there is sandpiper spirit. Be playful. Okay, be playful. There is a lizard spirit. Dream the world into being. Dream the world into being. Then there is a cow spirit. The miracles are endless. 0909 was the recording reading time. The miracles are endless, and a lot of miracles, new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Koi fish spirit. There is always enough. Okay, so there is always enough. So these are the messages which I'm getting for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from self-care for Aquarius June 2021. Please help me out to deliver the messages. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay. So the message for you is decisions. Honor your top priorities. It's not an absolute yes, then there is a no. So maybe you have to take some kind of decisions. So you have to see, you have to honor yourself first. 1010 is the recording reading time. Honor your top priorities and then make the best decisions for your life. Some kind of decision is going to, you have to make some kind of decision is going to happen, in which you have to take some kind of decisions. Okay, so these are the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Divine Abundance. Thank you for giving the messages. See, again the surrender is coming for you. Surrender yourself to the divine. Okay, let go of the control issues and surrender to the trust, and surrender yourself to the divine. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Please give me the messages. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius? Outgaze openness. Dear love, open me to your will, release me from any attachment, surprise and delight me with your plan. You know what's needed and I am open to receive. So you need to open yourself so that you can receive the beautiful blessings of the divine and the universe. So open yourself, because can you see receiving is here. Lot of beautiful messages, lot of beautiful blessings. 1133 was the recording reading time. Beautiful things are coming for you, but you can only receive them if you are open to receive. So open up yourself, open yourself to receive, Aquarius. There is receiving every day. It's become easier to receive the highest divine plan and to trust my inner guidance. Okay, so beautiful message for you. Then there is detachment. With detachment you finally feel whole inside, with or without the fulfillment of a particular desire. Ironically, that's often when it's fulfilled. So you need to be in a state of detachment. That's the message here. So beautiful messages here. Thank you for giving the messages. Okay, let's see what are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. Kindred spirits. Okay, many of you are going to get reunion with your kindred spirits. Beautiful celebrations are coming for you. Some kind of celebrations are coming for you in the month of June. So let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius June 2021? Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Any other message? So have compassion, Aquarius, have compassion here. Okay, while making a choice, some kind of choice or decision you have to make, that's for sure. There is a choice or a decision which you have to make in the month of June. So while making that choice for your life or a decision for your life, have compassion here. Have a compassion, discernment and gentleness. Use these things while making. Have compassion here. Okay, compassion is here. Then there is discernment and there is gentleness. So be, after considering all the things, then make a choice for you. Have a thought of it. Maybe you are having some kind of thought. Okay, so these are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. Let's add one message from Law of Attraction. Thank you for giving the messages. What is the message for Aquarius? What is the message? Okay, I am learning to allow well-being. Number 44. Okay, that can be a possibility. You can see a number synchronicities of 444 or 44. Okay, the art of allowing is I am that which I am, and I am pleased and joyful in it. and that you are that which you are, and while you are different from that which I am, I can allow that, and for it is good. So this is beautiful message for you from the law of attraction. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add one message from affirmations. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of, too many messages. One message for Aquarius for the month of June. Please give me one message. Warmth. I focus on warmth and let it guide all my interactions. No matter how others behave, I choose to respond warmly. With warmth, I can melt any ice exterior. I can soften any hard feelings. I can microwave any pizza. Today, I adopt the saying, kill them with kindness, and turn myself into warm and loving serial killer. So you can use your warmth, okay? So that's the affirmation you can take for your life. This is beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see what is the message from spell casting. Okay. What are the messages for Aquarius June 2021? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. See, some kind of closure is coming for you. There is grieving and closure. So whatever you are grieving on, there is some kind of closure which is coming for you in the month of June. Okay, the closure is coming for you. There is passion and finding. So you will find yourself, how beautiful you are, how powerful you are. Okay, and work on your passion. If you're already working on your passion, keep working on your passion here, Aquarius. There is lot of good blessings and good luck which is coming for you. Good luck and blessings are coming for you in the month of June. See, I told you many blessings, beautiful new beginnings are coming for you. Okay, so this is beautiful message which I am getting here. There is home card here again too. So these are the messages from spell casting deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck. Please give me the messages for Aquarius June 2021 which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Okay, what are the messages? Beautiful. Okay. So first message for you is decrease and there is courage. So don't give up, Aquarius. Okay, keep your courage with you. I was clarifying the decrease, so that has been clarified by courage. So if you are losing hope, so don't lose hope. Okay, keep your courage with you. Okay, keep your courage with you, and there is conscious of lack. So maybe you are abundant already, you just you are only having the consciousness of lack that you don't have, but instead you have to see that you are abundant of everything. Okay, you are abundant of everything. You just need to keep your courage with you. There is a planning and action. So maybe you are planning and taking action, so you need to plan and take action towards your work, towards your relationships. Here I am having again the family, 10 of cup energy again. Beautiful. 10 of cups energy, family card, happy family, happy life, and there is great achievement which is coming for you in the month of June. Okay, maybe some of you are going to travel somewhere. Okay, so if you are traveling, take care of yourself, Aquarius, but travel is indicated here, and there is a commitment which is coming for you. This is beautiful. Okay, so commitment is coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of June. So let's see more messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see messages from the universe. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Okay, so don't be misled, Aquarius. Don't be misled. You need to convince yourself, not others. Okay, don't be misled. Convince yourself, not others. Then there is what would love do? Okay, what would love do? And prepare to be astounded. You will be surprised. So some surprise is coming towards you in the month of June. Okay, beautiful surprises are coming for you. Prepare to be astounded. Okay, you know what to do. You already know what to do. Follow your heart, follow your soul. 2112 was the recording reading time, so you already know what to do. Then there is love does not have to be mean near. Love is never in vain. So this is beautiful message here. Okay, love is never in vain. Love does not has to near, does not have to be mean near. There is things are about to get really juicy. Okay, things are going to get really juicy. They that you have options is meaningful. Rock on. So you have a lot of options to choose, Aquarius. Okay, and that's options are meaningful, so rock on. You might not know, but you will. Right now maybe you don't know, but you will, Aquarius, very soon. So this is beautiful messages. Thank you, universe, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the guides. Okay, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of June. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Patience is a virtue. Okay, so patience is a virtue. You need to lead by example. Understand your body. Okay, you need to lead by example and understand your body. Set your intentions, Aquarius, and abundance is your right. Okay, I told you maybe you are having a lack of conscious here, that you are not abundant, but you are abundant. Okay, abundance is your right. So you are having only lack of consciousness, that's it, but abundance is your right. Okay, so abundance is your right here, that's the message. And appreciate your talents. You are very talented. You have beautiful talents inside of you. You just need to appreciate your talents here. So these were the messages for the month of June for Aquarius. Okay, I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and blessings to all my Aquarius who is watching this video. Take care of yourself. If you want to tell me anything, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.